Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Gorilla Guitar Repair here, and today we have a very interesting piece. This here electric guitar. You guys know what this is? I'd never seen one before. Look at those pickup rings, huh? Very cool. So what is it? What can it be? Pause video. Put answer in comments. I'm just kidding. It's a Silvertone. I'm not sure what the model is. I'll have to look that up and figure it out. Maybe it doesn't have one. I don't know. You guys comment what the model is or isn't. But yeah, we're gonna give it a good cleanup. It's been here for a few minutes and the owner would love to get it back, so we're gonna try to do that today. So stay tuned, and you're gonna need a bigger boat. Let's give a closer look at this thing. But first, we need to power on vintage lumens generator with custom red subscribe button. Nailed it! You guys do the same. We are almost to 3,200 peoples who enjoy these. Oops, sorry. For these dorky guitar videos with the terrible camera work. That's how you could probably describe this channel, right? Dorky guitar videos, terrible camera work. What is this thing? Let's find out together if we can. I suppose I could just read the work order. That might be a smarter idea. Hey, 3 is better than 4 and stronger than 2. Let me see. Do I have a work order for this somewhere? Probably do. Hold on. Ready, set, pause. Aha! The work order was right. It said hollow body. So I don't know what it is. We'll investigate together. Look at these strings. Look how crusty. So crusty. Here, ready? Zoom. Oh, there it is. Look at those. Oh, they're so gross. Let's all right. Zoom back out. Let's see if it works as it sets. I don't know if I plugged this in when it came in, but this thing is amazing, actually. I really dig it. Ew. I don't want to touch those frets. Uh-oh, yeah, I turned the thing up first. Oh no. Ready? Brace yourselves. Oh, there it is. That's tone happening right there. That's an interesting tuning. Oh, that could be fun. Yeah. There we go. Oh, we got noise. Turn off all the accessories. Yeah, it works. Cool. Oh. Okay. So that's your bridge volume, bridge tone. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? I think this Bigsby needs a new spring. It looks pretty overly compressed. That kind of happens. That's okay. Put a new spring in there and stick this one back in the case. Let's check out these two. Oh, those tuners are neat. Look at these things. Oh, I should unplug this before I start swinging it around. And mute. There we go. Better. These are nice, actually. Too bad that one's bent. Maybe we can fix it, but I really hate trying to bend old tuners that are still functional just for the sake of aesthetics. You have a real chance of breaking it. They're all a little off-center, aren't they? It's fine. Adds to the vibe, right? It's character. I want to thank everyone for watching. Here, let's get this right out of there. Don't set that on that pickup. Oh, God. Oh, how would that sound? Wait. Oh. That didn't work. I thought it'd make something a lot funnier sounding. Oh well. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching and checking out and commenting on the latest video with that Les Paul. That was a fun project. I know people like stuff like that, so I'm happy to keep doing it. Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and all the fun stuff. All right, let's take the tension off this now that we've done it wrong. Okay. We need some lube. Where's my lube? Where's the lube? Oh, here. You guys can't see anything. There we go. Like normal. Terrible camera guy. A little bit of lubage in there, and I think this is just machine oil and maybe some bicycle chain oil and maybe some pew oil. I can't remember. It's oil. It'll work. You can't mix all that stuff together. Yeah, to make the guitar explode. Once you hit, 3,000 RPMs, that's when the whole headstock will come right off. All right, okay. So that's got lube. Turn it back over. Incoming Bosch. All right. Come on. Oh, that one was really wobbly. We gotta go slow. I would replace it if I had one of those. I'll take a look, but I don't think I do. Those look pretty unique. But it does work, so... Oh, God, string wraps. Stop wrapping your strings. You don't need to. Well, whatever. Oh, that one's a little wobbly also. Okay, that's fine. That's close enough. Now let's take them off this end. There we go. Here, zoom on in. Get this off this old Bigsby. That Bigsby itself, if that's an original one, that's probably worth a couple $100 right there, right? Oh, there we go. Okay, now we can get rid of these tetanus strings. These are all very loose. Okay. Whoop. Let's take that right off of there. I'm going to buff this thing out, and I don't want any more clunking. One of those twos? Maybe number 2 in there? Let's try it. Come on. Oh, God. Stab the guitar. Come on. No. Damn. Wrong. Wrong. Fail. Wrong. Fail. Tech fail. Oh, they're like in between. These are weird looking. Oh, come on. Seriously? Okay, we gotta find a better fitting bit. And, oh, maybe I grabbed the extra large bit by accident. Come on. Oh, seriously? No? Number 2. Oh, that's just perfect. The number 2s are too big and the number 1s are too small. Thanks, Silvertone. Alright, I guess we'll just have to use number 1 and push real hard. I have an impact, but that probably wouldn't be better. Come on. Oh, look at these things. They're almost homemade. They're so... I could see the screw like wobbling as it was coming out. I think I might replace these with something a little different when I put this back together, because I don't like this. These don't fit right. All right, this one, you gonna come out? Hey, you're coming out. Oh, wow. Hope this is not indicative of how this job's gonna go. Might be. Oh, I really should have pulled that out first, huh? That's what she said. Oh. Is it gonna come out, or do I have to break it? This thing is gonna be a fighter. And it's already broken. See, it's already broken on the side. Here, let's see what's going on. Let's see if I can break it further. Come on. Come out. come out. Is it coming out? Oh, yay! Yay! It came out in one piece. Well, mostly one piece. I didn't do that. That was not me. Came like that, but there we go. Put that in part spin. I'd be better about using my part spin over here. All right, let's. Seems pretty tight. No clicky. Oops, sorry. I was looking at the Bigsby and didn't know you guys couldn't see me looking at the Bigsby. But yeah, no clicking in the bearing at all. I've seen brand new ones on new guitars where this whole bearing system here just click when you wiggle it, and so when you use it, you'll hear like a every time if you're quiet. This one is nice. Here, let's. Not much came out of there. Where we need a toothbrush. We're gonna clean up this Bigsby a little bit. There we go. How about I put you guys in the other holder? That way, if I pan down too far with this thing, it won't go down any further. So yeah, let's take a pause for a break. I'll drink some coffee, and we're almost time for employees to be coming in. I think maybe not. We don't know actually today. Now that I think about it, but if people come in, I will time lapse it, and we'll see you guys at the tone test. But all right, here, ready, set, pause. Oh, I should just edit out that last part, man, with the rambling. All right. Anyway, here we're gonna use some naphtha. It's pretty low risk. Gotta clean out all the green. Oh no. Oh, I might just take this. Let's take this arm right off. That'll be probably easier, right? Is it a 3 or is this? Oh yeah, that'll work. It's probably a US, but 3mm will work. Unclick. All right, then we can get in here and really any and all crud. All the crud. And yeah, naphtha works pretty good for general purpose cleaning. Little breakup. Most kind of mild filth. And it's not going to hurt finishes. Lighter fluid, if you can't find naphtha, it's becoming illegalified in many states. Now, technically, we're probably not even supposed to have it. I don't think we're supposed to have it in New Hampshire here anymore. But shh, guys, won't tell anybody. But we have our friends from Massachusetts, you know, illegally, like moonshine style it up to us. In the middle of the night, comes in, opens up a trunk. We unload a little bottle of naphtha from Home Depot. What are you guys worried about? Is this stuff used for? Let's not get into that discussion. It probably is. Probably is used for something bad. Okay, let's get some of this surface crust off of here, and I only do this because it'll transfer onto strings. You'll get rusty, crusty strings, and rust will make jagged edges. Any of you in New England know this. I think they started salting the roads this morning. Boo. I'm not a winter person. You guys that do it, well, have at it, but nope. I only deal with the snow when I absolutely have to. That's better. All right, I'm not gonna go nuts. I just want to get most of the crud off. Right there, there we go. I'm not gonna polish out the Bigsby. It's got a nice patina. Okay, where's my lube? Lube makes everything better. Get that right down in there. There we go. And again, these bearings are made for like machines that spin at really, really high RPMs. They'll pretty much last forever in a guitar. Anybody ever have one of these actually fail? And not like come from the factory, just loose, but actually wear out from use? That'd be interesting to know. All right, I think we're good there. Oh yeah, we want a little in there. And I'm going to tighten up this when it's back on here, on the actual bridge. There we go. These springs, there's a spring in here, and these all also loosen up. That's why sometimes you get movement on the arm without it actually doing anything. And we don't want that. It's bad. And they give you an alignment point there, so it's really hard to mess these up, although I'm sure you could. If anything, people are able to mess up anything, right? Right. All right, and we'll give that a little bit of, you know, click. It's the German torque spec of good and tight. Get a little lube down here, not that this really needs it, but it'll hopefully keep like corrosion from forming in there, because that's bad, right? Right. Look at that, so much better already. Like this right now is, oh, look at that. I just discovered something in there. We might have found like, huh, look at that. You guys see it? Sorry. X, trying to see it getting the light. X up top, EX, and then short, extra short. Huh. That's how they just kind of chisels in there. That's neat. This is an old one, right? All right. Oh yeah, let's tighten that up. We need a wrench. Let's see what that is. That Gibson, I think it's Gibson size, right? 5/16. Is that right? I think. Where are my wrenches? Oh, there it is. Got it. Might even need 2 of them. No? Oh, 3/8, probably. It's, yeah, 3/8. So first, there's a jam nut in here. Let's see if we can get that to come off. Nope. I need another 3/8. This here might work. There we go. You gotta use 2 wrenches and loosen up the top one. Come on, off. There we go. Come on. Boy, somebody really went full send on that. So now, that one's off and out of the way. We're gonna tighten up this. Yeah, this was very, very loose. This was, ugh. Yeah, this will be a lot. Back it off a little bit. There we go. That'll be a lot stiffer now. Stiffer is always better, right? Wait a minute. Freezing. And sometimes you can just tighten the rear one, and it'll just tighten on the other one. You don't even have to hold it when you're tightening it. Yep, like that. There we go. Locked. And oh yeah, I can already tell that's so much more better. All right, let's set this aside. We are done with you, sir. All right, let's take the neck off. Make it easier to maneuver. We're gonna need more Bosch. And that's a number 3. Yeah. Ooh, more power. That one didn't seem like it went into much, huh? All right, they're all the same size. Well, no. That one's longer. That one goes there. Ding. Who dat? Oh man, the scammers are just working overtime lately. I'm gonna shim in there. It seems pretty stuck. We'll leave it for now. But yes, so many scammers lately. Like every message on any other app. Look at that neck pocket angle. You guys see how that's not? Look how they did that. There you go. That's better. Huh? Much shallower on that end. That's kind of neat. Makes for not much of a neck heel on this thing. That's all right. All right, we should. Oh, these are so loose. We should take those off too. But first, I know you guys want to see what's under these here, or on the back of these here pick-em-ups. There seem to be a very strange type of mini hum split wide range. I don't know. It's everything. They're everything. We need a flathead. All right, that's annoying, but okay. And it looks like they're just the three. I don't want to break these things, so I'm just kind of taking my time. These are probably made of pure unobtainium at this point, right? So we do not want to break. All right. Okay, that one's coming out nicely. Here, you guys want to go like this, maybe? There we go. How about that? Huh. Probably more scammers. Sorry, I can't see from that angle. There it is. Oh, that one. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, man. Oh. That was weird. Sorry about that. The phone was not on Do Not Disturb, and nobody ever calls me. I think that was a Snapchat from the kids. They often communicate that way, and oh, all right, we got to turn off notifications. Ready, set, and pausing. All right, now hopefully we'll be far fewer interruptions. Nothing major, just typical morning. How's it going? You know, family type stuff. All right, let's get that off of there. All right, what do we think these are? I really want to get those completely out so I don't drop and lose and scratch, and there we go. There we go. All right. Ooh, look at those. Vintage Patnos. That is a black label Patno. Looks very Gibson-esque, doesn't it? I assume the other one's the same thing. Also Patno. All right, I'm gonna forget which way these things are facing. So they're pointing in opposite directions. All right, that's what we need to remember. All right, let's get a look inside, shall we? I'll try to take some interior pictures on the next break. How about that? Very nice, though. Do these come off easily? Yep. Good. These over here. And boy, I could probably remove this whole thing. Does it even have an end ground? I don't think it even has a bridge or string ground. So yeah, let's... You guys want to see the whole thing? It'll be much easier to clean at that point. Alright, and let's take this off. It's already pretty loose. So they made it so you can kind of almost fit the switch in from there, and I guess that would make sense. So take that off. Almost right there. All right, and now the jack. So we also now need to take at least one of these pickups out, right? Because it has to go... Ooh, can I sneak it in like this? Maybe I can do it this way. Nice. Don't have to. Yay, look at that. That's... I know I don't need to do this, but I really want to make this thing as nice looking as possible. And I'll re-secure all the wires. Maybe not. Well, we're committed now, right? Put those over there. How do those come out of there? Maybe they got to. They got to come out here, right? There we go. There we go. All right, jeez. Talk about it's like these things like military spec. Oh, what is this? Oh, jack reinforcement. Nifty. Come on now. There we are. All right. Yeah, no bridge. Maybe I'll add a bridge ground. Or not. I mean, I guess this is very nice work. Look at this. Here, let's move this out of the way. I mean, just check out the craftsmanship here. All nice wire, nice pickups. We don't want to get these things all tangled up. Go around this way. And I'll add some zip ties when I put it back together just to keep wires from jiggling. Sometimes those can cause noise if you have a microphonic wire, so just in case. But yeah, look at this here. How do we want to? There we go. That is very cool. Yeah, this is when they made stuff that was made to last. Are these just open? Or, oh yeah, that one. thought they're supposed to be soldered. That one's a little loose. I'm not going to pull it apart. Why bother? Right here we can, this is a neat little trick. Take a piece of speaker tube, like thick. I think this might have been a chunk of a pen that I took apart, and just kind of do that. Jam it down over the top. Like that. And then take some deoxit. Just fill it up and let it sit. And it'll work its way down in. But you can also now take a screwdriver and do this. And it'll work that deoxit all the way in to that potentiometer, instead of having to take this off to get deoxit in there. I'm also going to squirt it in there just to hose it down. Again, I wish I had a vat of deoxit. Just dunk it in it. Here, let's move you guys to your lesson my way. And you can do this outside of the, well, they're inside the guitar also. So another great trick for hollow bodies. If I didn't want to buff the top or the whole body, I would have left these in. But these aren't going to be that bad to get back in position. Oh, this one's a little, see, that one's a little loose. Should probably fix that. That could cause a rattle. I think I shall add a string ground. It'll be really pretty easy to do. I'll just run it over to the ground tab on the jack, and that way no real modifications will be done. All right, so why is this loose? Are they all loose? Yeah, I guess they're all loose. I guess they'll tighten up when, yeah, they'll tighten up with the nut. I don't have to worry about that. See if we can get deoxit wherever it might want to go. Oh, I should have got a paper towel or something over here. It flashes off pretty quickly. This jack looks pretty good. Probably has been replaced fairly recently. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's just in good shape. Yeah. All right, those feel a lot less gritty. Cool. Let those sit. Simmer in their own juices. Put these over here. How about that? All right, next, let's put this over in the vise, shall we? I know you guys can't see what's happening, but sorry for the funny angle. I'll have to reset all this. Don't mind the trash. All right, I'm gonna put this in here, and I'll get you guys in a different holder, and we'll do. The frets don't necessarily look unlevel, but they're kind of wavy this way. Yeah, you can actually feel it. You can feel them have a wave, and that happens with old guitars from years of playing. So we're going to give it a fret level and polish it all out, clean it up, make it look awesome, make it play even awesomer, and get it back to the customer. Time lapse the rest, And I do, again, appreciate everyone doing all the YouTubey things. Really appreciate the subscribers. Share it with all your dorky guitar friends. You're out there. But, yeah. We'll see you at the sound check. See ya!